Hey everyone, this is Martin, your mortgage guy in Birmingham, Alabama. I got a question today about escrow accounts. So I want to make a couple of videos here about escrow accounts and how they work for taxes and insurance. We'll start with insurance. That one's a little bit easier to explain. So your insurance needs to be paid in advance. And homeowners insurance is usually paid 1 year in advance. Similar to your car insurance, if you haven't paid for this month's car insurance, or if you paid a year in advance or 6 months in advance, then if you get into an accident and you're not covered, if something happens to the vehicle and you haven't paid, you're not covered. And then you're on your own. Well, your mortgage company always wants to make sure that your insurance is paid. And so for first-time home buyers especially, the mortgage company always wants to make sure that insurance and that property taxes are paid so that if anything happens to the property, if there's any kind of disaster or damage, the insurance will cover the property. Also with taxes, we don't want the county to come and put a lien against your house or repossess your house because you haven't been paying property taxes. So we want to make sure those are paid. So we collect those every month along with your mortgage payment, with the principal and interest on your mortgage payment. So building an escrow account for insurance, you typically have 1 month where you don't make a payment on your mortgage, and I can discuss that later in another video about how your mortgage payment is paid in arrears, not in advance like rent. So there's 1 month that you skip right after you close on the loan and purchase the house. So between that time and when your insurance company sends the bill to the mortgage company, you're only going to receive about 10 payments because they're going to send that bill about a month early also. So they typically hold an extra 2 months in the escrow account and then collect from you every month afterwards until they get that bill from the insurance. Thanks so much. Love talking with you all. Feel free to reach out anytime. I am accepting new clients and look forward to working with you. Give me a call.